Students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we will read we are reading chapter 9, that is creating adjectives. In our last class we have read about that adjective. So adjective is a describing word. It gives more description about the noun. It gives more information about the noun. So, in this part, we will read that adjectives are used to compare. Adjectives are used to compare between two nouns, between two things, two persons, or two places. We use er when we compare two things, two persons, or two places. When we are talking about one person, we will say Anushka is a smart girl. But when we are comparing with two persons, that there is Shakila is smarter than Anushka. So when we are comparing that who is more smart, at that time we will use the word smarter. So Shakila is smarter than Anushka. Next we use est when we compare more than two things, persons or places. So Sumedha is the smartest girl in the class. So in a class there are 20 or 30 or 40 students, and here we are using the here we are using the form smartest. We are adding est with the adjective smart. Okay. Next, Anushka is smart. There is no comparison. Comparison between two. Shakila is smarter. That means smart plus er. Then Shakila is smarter than Anushka. Sumedha is the smartest girl in the class. So here smartest, smart plus est. Okay. Here is one thing. When adjectives end with y, we change the y to I before adding er and est. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay. Next, so adjectives have been used to compare. We use er when we compare two things, persons, or places. Here I have given one example. For example, Anna is tall, Mimi is taller than Anna. And next is we use est when we compare more than two things, persons or place. Shana is the tallest in the class. Here no comparison. Anna is tall. Second is comparative. We can call it positive also. So no comparison is positive form of adjective. Comparison between two is comparative form of adjective, and comparison with many is superlative form. Okay. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Now this one you have to learn. Add er and est with smaller adjectives to make comparisons. That means the spellings will be small. If the spellings will be small, then we will add er or est. For example, this is from the book. Tall, taller, tallest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Fresh, fresher, freshest. Wide, wider, widest. Fine, finer, finest. Finest. Young, younger, youngest. Easy, easier, easiest. Neat, neater, neatest. Fast, faster, fastest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. See, heavy, H-E-A-V-Y. We have changed the spelling. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. We made it H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier and heaviest. Here, I have given from my side big, bigger, biggest, hard, harder, hardest, strong, stronger, strongest, small, smaller, smallest. Sorry, here is a spelling mistake. I will make it change in the PDF. Happy, happier, happiest, near, nearer, nearest, far, farther, farthest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. See the spelling over here. Pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y. Now the spelling became I-E-R. And prettiest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So here is a spelling mistake. Small spelling mistake is there. Small, smaller, smallest. It is given smallest. Okay. We add more and most or less and least with bigger adjectives to make comparison. So to make the comparison, we can use more or most or less or least. More and most is for the good and bigger or many things, and less means smaller or less things. Colorful, more colorful, most colorful. We can use less colorful and least colorful. That means it is not colorful, it will be dull. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, or less beautiful or least beautiful we can use. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Enjoyable, more enjoyable, most enjoyable. Useful, more useful, most useful. Tired, more tired, most tired. And some adjectives change their forms completely while making comparisons. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, or much, more, most, old, older, or we can say elder, oldest or eldest. Here also I have not forgotten to give the oldest. I will add it in the PDF. Far, farther, farthest. Okay, and the late, later, late, latter, late, last, or latter, latest. Okay, so read this one. You have to read this one. So this part we have read, that how to add more and most and less and least in there. And now here are some that, see, this is a good story. The story that I read yesterday is better than this one. The story in this new book is the best of all. So here in number 2 it is comparing with 2. That means the story you have read yesterday and today, and this one is the best of all. So here is something. Adjective can be used to dash two or more things to compare. Yes, we add dash and dash to smaller adjectives for comparison. That is er and est. We add dash and dash to bigger adjectives for comparison. That is more and most. So students, you will read the chart, you will read this chapter, and you will try to do the homework given in the book. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.